This is practice A for section 8.1. We're going to find the value of n for each regular n-gon that's described. 30 through 33 are very similar. 34 through 37 are very similar. I think we're going to work on these ones first, and once you see how these are done, those are going to be really, really easy. It's just one extra step. So they're telling you that each exterior angle of a regular n-gon has a measure of 90. So if every exterior angle is 90, how many of them would fit into that 360 degree sum that we have to have? So you're doing 360 divided by 90. So whatever number they give you there, you're doing 360 divided by that. And obviously that gives you 4. So find the value of n. N is 4. Now if they said what shape is it, you would say quadrilateral. So really, that's all you're doing there. Maybe we'll do 36 together. Each exterior angle of a regular n-gon has a measure of 40. Well, 360 is what they all add up to. And if each one is 40, how many of them are there? There's 9 exterior angles. There's 9 interior angles. There's 9 sides. That's what that means. Now, if you know the exterior angle, you know the interior angle. Remember, exterior angles and interior angles add up to 180. So if in this first section here, they're telling you that each interior angle of a regular n-gon has a measure of 90. Let's not do that one. We already did 90. Let's do this one, number 31. Each interior angle of a regular n-gon has a measure of 108. So that means the exterior angle is 72. And now that you know that, it's just like these problems. So I'm going to do 360 divided by 72, and I think I know what that is. I'm pretty sure it's 5. So pentagons have interior angles that are 108 degrees when it's regular. Okay, so that's how that works. Next section down, they're telling you the shape of Colorado can be approximated by a polygon, as shown. How many sides does a polygon have? Well, that's kind of easy. There's 4. What is the sum of the measures of the interior angles? So you would do 4 minus 2 times 180. That'll give you 360. I think once you do this long enough, I think you pretty much know quadrilaterals have 360 degrees. What's the sum of the measures of the exterior angles? Well, it's always the same regardless of what shape it is. So 360. Number 39, this one's about softball. A home plate marker for a softball field is a pentagon, as shown. 3 of the interior angles of the pentagon are right angles, and the remaining 2 angles are congruent. So what's the value of x? So in a pentagon, okay, so those are the same. In a pentagon, how many degrees do the interior angles add up to? They add up to 540. We know that there's 3 90-degree angles. So I'll do 540 minus 270. That's what 90 times 3 is. And that'll tell you what those other 2 angles have to be. Oh, how about that? 270. So these 3 angles add up to 270. These 2 angles add up to 270. So what's 270 divided by 2? 135. That's what each of those angles would be. Number 40 is about a stained glass window. Part of a stained glass window is a regular octagon. Find the measure of an interior angle of the regular octagon, then find the measure of an exterior angle. Well, I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to find the exterior angle first. If this is regular, then all the interior angles are the same. All the exterior angles match each other as well. So I know 360 degrees is the exterior angle sum for any shape. So I'm doing 360 divided by 8. That gives me the measure of each exterior angle. Now if I want the interior angle, it's a lot easier than using that formula. You just do 180 minus 45 and you get 135. I think that's a little bit quicker, a little cleaner.